What's up, guys? I know it's been a minute since I posted. I hope you guys are doing all right. Life just got a little busy, and I ended up being sick. Goddamn COVID got my ass, and I'm feeling better now, way better than where I was. I'm just glad to be alive, and yeah, that shit ain't no joke, man. So you guys be careful. Not much has been going on since I've been sick and whatnot. With the car, the only thing I've done so far is I took off the muffler off of the car because as you guys all know, if you guys seen my previous videos, it's got that nasty, it had a leak on it, and that's actually because the muffler was torn. You can see it here. It's pretty nasty. Let's clean out the injectors, which I'll roll a clip so you guys can see that. That much power. What you guys think about these wheels? Came off of a EM2. K-Series. Gonna go in that hatch.
You can see how the spray patterns have.
It's even now, right? Because it was, I think it was this one and that one that were off. I don't even want to look at the fuel filter. If you made it this far, hit that like button or dislike it. I don't care. And I'd appreciate it if you guys consider subscribing. It'd actually motivate me to continue making videos for you guys and trying to figure out new content, you know. Maybe I can start ordering more stuff for the Civic. Drop a comment, let me know if you guys know of anybody with the D15 B8 Civic hatch with mods on it. I'm not trying to make it go fast, but I'm just trying to make it breathe a little bit better, and you know, just get some little cool mods on it. Nothing crazy. Till eventually, you know, either the motor blows up or I get tired and I end up swapping it, which so far I still don't want to do. But yeah, I ended up picking up these wheels. If you guys stayed till the end of my last video, you guys would have seen I picked these wheels up after going to the Euro meet, and they're actually off of a EM2. I think he said something about like there's a special edition that came with these wheels, and in the camera that I'm looking right now, like through, they look really different than they do in person. They actually look better in person, and they have like a pretty cool color to them, like a kind of darker silver finish. Excuse me. And yeah, I'm actually gonna throw these on. I would keep the EM1 wheels, but you know, if you saw my other videos too, I showed it's got like the clear that's coming off, and I really don't want to start polishing them because the wheel's in perfect condition besides the finish. It's just like the clear coat's coming off, but there's like no curb rashes or anything like that. And I just feel like, you know, if the wheels were in mint condition, I'd slap them on because I think these look better than these. But yeah, I'm gonna end up getting rid of those. I'm just gonna slap those tires on these because these are 195/60 and these are 195/50. So I'm gonna put those tires on these. I'm gonna get rid of the Steelies since I'm no longer gonna need them, and throw on the, well, actually sell the hubcaps that I got from the junkyard. Ooh, I think they're off of the DK hatch. So I was gonna rock those Steelies since they're 14s with these hubcaps, and actually put a smaller tire on them and rock them on the car. But my buddy with the EK, Elias, he's been in one of my past videos. He's gonna come through, and I'm just gonna sell them to him because his EK has the same hubcaps, and I think 2 of them are messed up on his. So I cut him a deal and told him like to sell it to him, you know, for the low if he really wanted them. I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys the wheels. I'm gonna end up cleaning them because they're pretty nasty, and then from there, I don't know, I might throw them on how it is right now just to get an idea of how they're gonna look. And okay, now the car's out, I'll go ahead and then end up spraying these things down, and I'll probably use my handy dandy buckets that I got here. The reason why I gotta use my bucket because where I live, apparently only one of the neighbors has a hose and I don't have one, and I'm too lazy to load them up on the SUV or my car and go to the car wash and wash them there. So I'm just gonna do it here, ghetto style. And yeah, look who decided to show up. He's got an exhaust leak too. Fuck the exhaust leak, gang. Is this the only one that's cracked?
What's that?
Is this the only one that's cracked? The hubcap?
Yeah.
Yeah.
And this one, the dirty, like, that needed paint, but I'd rather just put those on again.
Yeah. I got them in there, man. Freaking mosquitoes are biting the shit out of me.
Oh, I just put spray, bro. I might have some in the car.
Shit, if you do, hook me up, man.
I think it might be in my truck.
I just heard it right now. Near my ear. This is this dude's car. We actually ran him one time. but I don't know if he could get a clean race, but I ended up pulling on him. I don't know if he let off. Alright guys, so these are the wheels now. Not sure if you can see, but they look real clean. Look way better now. They kind of have like this gunmetal gray look to them from like an angle. But if you look at them directly, they kind of look polished. I don't know, kind of cool. They were so dirty, and I put that wheel cleaner on it that I got from AutoZone. The ones we used on my brother's EM1 wheels a while back, and cleaned them right up. It's kind of dark right now, but tomorrow I'll go ahead and show you guys how it look. You know, once like better lighting, and then maybe I'll slap them on for now just to see how they look, and before I swap out the tires over. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow. I know last night I showed them to you guys, but now that we got better lighting, this is how they look like. They actually have slight damage to them. This one's got some curb rash, a little bit of damage here. This one's got like a little nick there, but overall they look pretty good compared to the EM1 wheels. But yeah, they don't look too bad. I'm excited to see how they're gonna look like on the car once I get the tires switched or other tires on them. But I ended up using the Armor All Extreme Wheel Cleaner. We actually ended up using this on my brother's EM1 wheels. We compared it to the Jay Leno's product here. If you guys haven't checked out that video, I'll post up a link somewhere right here. But yeah, pretty good stuff. The inside was real nasty, and this is how they look like after I cleaned them. Real good. Look real nice. But yeah, next time I upload a video, it'll probably be with the wheels on the car already. I'm excited to see how it's gonna look. Well, that's gonna be it for today. If you guys liked the video, hit that thumbs up. If you disliked it, hit the thumbs down. Drop a comment, let me know what you guys think about these wheels. And if you're new, please consider subscribing. I appreciate it. It actually motivated me to pop out some more videos, some more content, different type of content as well. Let me know what you guys want to see. I'll catch you guys later. Peace.